Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel that is post myself Ajay and I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in this working video I'm going to show you beautiful, simple, very basic level admin dashboard template in Angular 15 and fully responsive. So guys, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Angular updates. So guys, here we go. And guys, also I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So please stay tuned. So first, here is a complete admin dashboard template to for beginners, I must say, and it is fully responsive. So friends, no need to worry about responsiveness. Toggle nav, just brilliant. See the fully responsive admin dashboard, responsive table. So guys, have you seen beautiful admin dashboard, fully responsive in Angular 15. And guys, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So please get the code. And guys, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.